This is how you open and close the doors for cleaning.
Unlock here, put down, and you can open small, not.
Okay.
Okay. And here, unlock. For put back, a little bit push here, up.
Do we always have to bang it down like that?
Excuse me?
Do we always have to do what you just did and hit it down?
No, this very important 19 grados like this, okay?
Okay.
Close. And screen you can use here or
Oh, and then
This
the
is
air
your
would come up
choice.
top.
yeah, this is your choice.
That's cool.
For change, unlock here, okay, and use here.
Okay.
That's all.
Got it.
This easy, same, just open. For clean, you can do like this.
No way.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Lock. Okay.
This for example, for fresh air. Look, here same. You have like this.
Oh, okay. That would
Yeah.
just open it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's leave it like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Here
So,
lift too.
so this one, if we want lots of air.
Yeah. If you want many air,
Be like
do
that.
like this, yes.
Okay.
You have screen.
And one more time, how to take the window off.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think we'll be doing that.
And
but
this screen,
good to know.
same. You can push up.
Push up.
Yeah. That's all. Or leave like this.
Okay.
Okay.
To get a little bit of air.
Yeah.
Okay. Got
This
it.
too same. Like
Okay.
this.
Thank you.